Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Emmanuel here, and today I'll be showing you in this video how to install a WordPress plugin. All right, if you are new to WordPress, WordPress allows you and makes it very easy for you to build a website, be it a blog, be it an e-commerce store, be it an affiliate marketing website, be it a website for your small business. All right, so with WordPress you can get that sorted out. Most times when you build a website, you need to add an extra function to your website. What should come to your mind is a plugin. All right, the plugin allows you to add extra function to your website, and today I'll be showing you exactly how to install a plugin and what you need to look out for before installing a plugin. If you're new to the channel and you are not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? You are missing a lot. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and click on that subscribe button now so that we can get started. Let's go and see how to install a WordPress, a plugin, I beg your pardon, on your WordPress website. All right, guys, so to install a plugin on your WordPress website, the first thing you need to do is, of course, to sign into your backend. And if you are here to start your journey of creating a website on WordPress, all you need to do is to watch my video on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. You will see that video in the playlist, Create Your First Website. That video is there. And of course, even on this screen, you will also see a suggestion for you to watch that video, how to create your WordPress website from scratch. In that video, you will learn how to buy your domain, how to buy your hosting, and how to install your WordPress. And of course, once you do that, you will get into this platform where we are now. So what do? When you log into your back end, you go straight to your dashboard and look for plugins. All right, let's look for plugins. So this is it. This is plugin, and you point your mouse to plugin. It will show you option: install plugins, add new plugin editor. So you go straight to add new. All right, add new. So here we are. The next thing is to tell the platform the plugin you want to install, or give the platform a suggestion. It says search plugins. So it's either you know the particular plugin you want to install, or you are looking for a particular plugin that will do a particular thing. All right, let's say for instance you are looking for a website builder. Okay, there's a website builder we're using now called Elementor. All right, it's already installed here. Let me not use it. Let's say you are looking for a coming soon plugin. A coming soon plugin allows you to put a notice on the front end of your website telling visitors that you are coming soon, that you are building something and you will soon be with them, or you are maintaining the website. Maybe the website is down and you are doing a maintenance on the website. You need to inform visitors. You also put that kind of notice. So this plugin allows you to put that kind of notice, and you can even put a counter, you can put an image and so many other things. Let's say we don't even know the plugin to install, and we'll go on plugins and we'll begin to search, and we'll say coming soon. All right, so we'll type coming soon as a way of looking for a plugin that will solve this coming soon challenge for us. So there are several plugins that will pop up. You can see this one is coming soon page maintenance mode and landing pages by cprod. All right, there's another one here. You see minimal coming soon page. All right, there are several of them. This one is another one, CMP coming soon and maintenance plugin by Nitio Themes. All right, site offline or coming soon. So you will see thousands of plugins that can do the same thing. So how do you now sieve out? How do you know which one to install? That's what I want to teach you again before we do the actual installation, right? So there are 4 basic things you need to look out for before installing a plugin. Very, very important. Number one of them is that you want to check, is that plugin compatible with your version of WordPress? WordPress constantly updates their software, all right? And if you have actually done your settings right, that update should happen automatically on your WordPress, and you should just get a message to let you know that it has been updated, right? So you want to know, is the plugin compatible with your version of WordPress? That's number one. Number 2 thing you want to look out for is, when was the last time this plugin was updated? It's very, very important, because if there is a software, because plugin is a piece of software, and every software needs to be updated. So if you have a plugin that has not been updated for like 1 year, even if it is compatible with your version of WordPress, you don't want to install that kind of plugin because it's been too long, right? it has been updated for the time it was updated is too long. I mean, it doesn't show that something is actually happening there. It doesn't show that somebody is working on that plugin. So installing it might break something on your website or create a problem for you. So you want to check when was the last time. And for best practices, you should look for at least nothing more than 6 months. Nothing. Anything more than 6 months is not acceptable. All right. So when was the last time it was updated? The next information you want to look at is how many persons have actually installed this plugin. How many persons are actively using the plugin? All right. That's the next thing. That's the third thing you need to look out for, because if there's a plugin and it's so good, so wonderful, and nobody's using it, man, I don't know how good it is. Right? If the product is good, somebody must be using it. Somebody must have used it. Someone, there must be something to show that this thing makes sense. All right? You understand what I mean? So if there's nobody using the plugin, well, chances are that maybe it just came to market this morning or just right now, or it might not be as good as you think. All right, so that's why I want to check how many persons are actually using this plugin. Then the last thing you want to check is, what is the star rating? What is the review? What's the comment of people who have used this? So you look at the star rating, you look at the number of persons that have actually rated the plugin. So having considered all this stuff, the next thing to do is to choose a particular one. So let's look at this one. This one was updated last 4 months ago. It's compatible. It has 5-star rating, and over 1 million persons have installed it. All right, this one is last updated 4 months ago too. Compatible, 4.5 rating, over 100,000. All right. Let's look at another one. This one is compatible, updated 4 days ago. Wow. Then 5-star rating, 100,000 active installations. Right. Let's now look at this one finally, so that we can take a decision. This one updated last 3 months ago, compatible with your version of WordPress, 5-star rating by 311 persons, 40,000 active installations. This one, the star rating is by 249 persons. All right, so looking at all these plugins, this one is more popular, but it was updated 4 months ago, which is still within the limit. We know we set a 6-month limit. All right, this one was updated 4 days ago, which is beautiful, meaning that they're actively working on it, right? And it's compatible, and it has a rating from 249 persons, while this one has a rating from 4,349 persons, which is a lot, right? So from all said and done, you will see that this one, has, if it is to score mark, this one has more mark, even though it's 4 months ago. That's the only downside of this whole thing. But we can go ahead and install this. So what do you do? How do you now install the plugin? You go ahead and click install. You will see install now. All right. You click on that button, install now. It takes some few seconds to be done. And once it's done, just a few seconds, can you see it is done under 5 to 10 seconds? And after installation, you must activate. If you install a plugin and you don't activate it, it will not be live. You cannot use it. All right. So after installation, you must click activate for that plugin to become live on your on your website, so that you can now start using it for that function you actually want to use it for. You can now go and start setting it up. So click activate to activate it. All right. So once it becomes active, that means it is ready to be used. You can now start using it. The only thing you now need to do is to go and set it up. All right. So activate. It has been activated. So you can see it here. Say thank you for using Seed Pro, the #1 coming soon page and maintenance mode plugin for WordPress. Okay, so this has been installed. So guys, this is how to install a WordPress plugin. Like I said, if there's any extra function, either for your own website or for another person's website, or a business you are working with, or somebody who have given you a job on website, the person is asking you to add extra function, maybe a calendar, maybe a WhatsApp chat, anything at all you can ever think of, there's an extra function on your website. What you need is plugins. WordPress is so designed that with plugins, you can achieve anything at all. You can achieve anything with plugin. All right. So go ahead and begin to install plugins. Go to plugins, search for the kind of plugin you are looking for using keywords. And once you type, use all those parameters I've given you to check which one to install. And once you do that, you are good to go. You install and set up, and your website will begin to come out very, very beautiful. All right. So guys, if you have gotten value from this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and of course like the video, and of course if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and share with your family and friends. And comment section, is there any plugin, let me even ask you this, is there any plugin you think is a must-have for WordPress. Comment section, please let me know the best plugin for you as far as building a website is concerned. Can you just please use the comment section to let me know? And maybe in another video, we can even talk about the best plugins for WordPress. All right. So comment section, what is your best plugin for WordPress website? And I will see you again in the next video.